Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us read Ruby's Garden and discuss about MCQ. How do you make that one? How do you take out the answers? Ruby's mother was standing at the school gate. Who was standing at the school gate? Or where was Ruby's mother standing? School gate, Ruby's mother, that will be MCQ. She was standing for Ruby. For whom she was waiting? For Ruby. Ruby was the MCQ. It was the end of the Ruby's first day at her new school. It was the end of Ruby's dash day at her new school. First, second, third, fourth will be there. You put tick mark first day. The bell rang loudly. The children came out from their classroom. Who came out of their classroom? The children. Father, mother, sister, children. Four options should be there. You put tick mark on the children. They were laughing and chatting with their new friends. How happy they were to see their moms and dads. Ruby soon saw her mom. So you can make it. Whom did you see? Her dash mom. She was smiling and waving her hands. Ruby ran up and gave her a big hug. Hello, Ruby, said Mom, giving her a big kiss. Did you have a good day at school? Ruby nodded her head. Who nodded her head? Ruby. Did you like your new teacher? Asked Mom. What was the name of Ruby's teacher? Ruby nodded her again. Tell me what you did in the school today, said Mom. Mrs. Thomas made her write our names on the stick labels, said Ruby. So, teacher's name was Mrs. Thomas. She pointed to the label on her blouse. It said Ruby. We have to wear them all week. How long we have to wear? All week, said Ruby. Till Mrs. Thomas knows our names. What did you do then? Asked Mrs. Divins. Who was Mrs. Divins? Ruby's mother. We stayed in the garden all day. How long we were stayed in the garden? All day, replied Ruby. In the garden? Asked Mom, looking surprised. Yes, said Ruby. We learnt a poem and did lots of sums. We also did some science. In the garden, said Mom. How odd. Mom wanted to know about Ruby's day at school, but Ruby only wanted to chat about her pet kitten. Minnie, what is the name of the pet kitten of her pet kitten? Minnie. Mom told Ruby about the naughty things Minnie had done. That evening, Mrs. Divins spoke to Mr. Divins. Do you know what, Arthur? Said Mrs. Divins. What, dear? Replied Mr. Divin. Ruby's class spent the whole day in the garden, said Mrs. Divins. No, really, said Mr. Divins, looking at her over the top of his reading glasses. Perhaps they were studying plants. What they were studying? Plants will be MCQ. I don't think so, replied Mrs. Divins. I shall go and talk to Mrs. Thomas tomorrow. When they will go? Tomorrow. The next day, Mrs. Divins took Ruby to school early. Mrs. Divins was already in class 2B. Where was Mrs. Thomas? In the class 2B. Which class? She was there? 2B. It will be in this way. MCQ will be there. She was putting sheets of paper and crayons on the desk. Good morning, Mrs. Thomas, said Mrs. Divins. Good morning, said Mrs. Thomas, smiling. I am Ruby's mother, said Mrs. Divins. I am a little worried. What is it? Asked Mrs. Thomas, looking a little worried herself. Is there something wrong? Yes, there is, said Mrs. Divins. Ruby told me that she was in the garden all day yesterday. They were studying in the garden. It was not natural, little different. That's why Mrs. Divins was worried. Mrs. Thomas laughed. Mrs. Divins was cross. She did not think there was anything to laugh about. Did you tell your mom what we did yesterday? Ruby asked Mrs. Thomas. Ruby nodded. That means shaking her head. And did you tell your mom about the other girls in the class? Asked Mrs. Thomas. Ruby shook her head and Mrs. Thomas smiled at Ruby's mum. I told the children yesterday that we are going to call our classroom. Children generally yesterday, tomorrow, that will be MCQ. And with the correct answer, 2, 3 others words should be there. You put tick mark on the correct word. The garden, said Mrs. Thomas. The garden, said Mrs. Divins in surprise. Whatever for? Just then, the other girls of 2B came out into the classroom. They were all still wearing their labels. That means their names are there on their blouse. Mrs. Divins, I want you to meet Ruby's friends, said Mrs. Thomas, pointing to the girls. Violet, Rose, Poppy, Iris, Jasmine, Daisy. Say hello to Ruby's mom. What were they? Suppose the names are there. These are the flowers. Mrs. Divins, suppose the names were there and the options should be flower, fruits, vegetables, etc. Then you put tick mark on the flowers. Mrs. Divins and Mr. Divins and Mrs. Divins laughed and laughed. The girls laughed too. Children, you must read the name of the poet. Suppose what is the who was the writer of the story Ruby's Garden? Nicholas Horsburgh. Okay, you read this one. This one also only one word answer you learn. Okay, you read this. Thank you.